Hey guys, welcome back to Gifted Touch by Kali. And if you're new, welcome. Now, I know this happened to a lot of us, right? But you just wake up a morning and you just say, I'm feeling good. I want to do something with myself. I want to take out myself. I want to buy something nice for myself. And you did it. And another morning you wake up and it's like, I just want to do something nice for myself again. What is that? Listen, this is nothing other than self-love. You're growing yourself in a kind of way that you're having this growth financially, maybe, physically, spiritually, psychologically. I said on my face. But the thing is that I find this these mornings, I am waking up with my skin feeling extremely dry. So what I started to do is when I'm washing my face, I would put some castor oil in the water so it will keep it a little moist. This is after the wash, right? I just, these things that people do where they ice their face and stuff. So I have been using the cold water on my skin. So if you're not seeing me just moisturizing, that's why. Because I want that castor oil to soak in and put some moisture back into my skin, right? So this is the serum that I use, which for some strange reason is not bad. I find it keeps my skin moist as well. So it's good, it's good. Heading south today for an event. So maybe I might, maybe you all might see a little, depending on if I have time to take out my camera and, tape a little something.